هم اللي فيه يعني قصدك؟
After
معلش.
To the respected judges, to the Fintech Galaxy team, and to all participants, our application is targeting the poverty problem in Egypt. Market studies show that micro-entrepreneurs suffer from problems, as you notice in the slide. They suffer from chronic lack of finance, the fragmented supply chains, and scarcity of information. They are usually unbankable, and they suffer from the lengthy bank procedures. And also, needless to mention that the high costs of the offline transactions, the absence of credit scoring systems, and validations for micro merchants. Our solution is applying an inclusive business model that streamlines the supply chain and flow funding to micro enterprises, leading to more financial inclusion of the target group and contributing directly to SDGs 1, 8, and 12. Our team has considerable experience in micro, small, and medium enterprises, as well as IT and software development for SMEs. Myself, I'm Mu'taz Yakan. I have more than 20 years experience in investment and private sector development and small and medium enterprises. Haytham Abdel Hakim, our product owner, has more than 15 years in software development and project development, as well as Ahmed Bashir also has more than 17 years of experience in implementing successful applications for small and medium enterprises. Our customer journey is so simple. With a click, a customer can execute a purchase order while in the same time requesting and applying for financing from a financial institution. This is our technical infrastructure. It's built on Microsoft Azure. There is a mobile application for the micro merchant. There is a web platform for the supplier, and a payment integration gateway for the financial institution. These are some snapshots from the mobile app. The first picture is the landing page. It shows the total amount due on the user, a reminder for the installments to be paid, and the total amount to be paid. The middle screens are the user interface to make orders and manage his business, and the last picture is for the screen to apply for financing. This is a supplier dashboard. It shows the transactions between the user and the supplier. We will offer the application and the web platform for free, the purchase order service for free. Our revenue stream will come mainly on the transactions, on money flowing in the lending process and the repayment. This is our go-to-market strategy. It's simple. First, we will depend on direct sales and available clientele base for government and lending institutions. Gradually, the network effect will materialize and the user will start using the application based on its prominence in the market. This is a typical digital marketing plan. We will cover a broad range of digital marketing channels. We look for the deployment of all features that enable a complete digital lending solution by the end of 2021. We shall start with acquiring customers, completing the application development and testing, the payment integration, and payment tracking. Then we will integrate a digital ID verification feature, then the Sharia compliant features, as well as getting required regulatory approvals and expanding our customer base. By 2022, we will increase our market penetration and explore the possibility of external markets. We identified 3 major competitors in the market. They are Maxab, Capiter, and Cartona. They gave us confidence in our business model and they confirmed the concept and the market need. We believe that Madad is distinguished by 3 traits. It's introducing the Sharia compliance concept clearly. It's completely dedicated for micro merchants, and it's fully digitalized without involvement in the logistics and the operation of handling the goods. Final note, if we won the prize, we shall launch our first digital campaign, co-branding with Fintech Galaxy and GIZ. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mu'taz. Right on time. Judges, the floor is yours. Anyone from the judges would like to start? Any questions?
Yes, this is Nadine. Just a very quick question from my side. In terms of the, have you thought a little bit about the revenue flows moving forward, the number of merchants you'd have to onboard, the number of them who would need to have a loan, etc.?
Sorry, Nadine, you are asking about the expected number of customers?
Yes, that will actually generate revenues, because from what I see on your platform, you might have merchants who are actually not generating revenue because you're offering your app free of charge, correct?
Yes, yes. So
some of them will have financing.
Yes, yes, this is true.
So what's, yeah,
but
actually, a bit more.
Our intent is to create a customer base, a broad customer base from the micro merchants that the market studies say that nearly all of them is requesting financing. We did some legwork in the market. We have done some interviews with the micro merchants, the people in the kiosks in the streets, and they confirmed the need. So we are looking forward for getting as much as we can as a client base. And from this client base, the numbers will grow and will provide sufficient number of people who are requesting financing and then they will generate revenues.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I have a question, please.
Please.
You mentioned that is Sharia compliance, yes. But I see that you mentioned that is we have a fees. I think 5%. Who will pay it? It's an interest. It's just a fees. Just to understand your business model.
Service fee. It's a fee covering the IT expense, the software cost. This is service fee on the transaction. It's eligible as a Sharia compliant model. It's eligible to have a service fee. I'm not getting this fee is for the service.
Okay, thank you.